This episode of Adventure Tech is brought to you by Tucktec, foldable kayaks made right here in the US. If you're in a hurry and just looking for discounts, use the links in the comments or description, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which is always appreciated. Use code AdventureTech, no space, all caps for an extra special discount just for you. In this video, we're going to be checking out the newest model of Tucktec foldable kayak coming out in 2025, show you all the differences and upgrades, and you can find out how to get one of these early. They are both about the same size and weight with some slight differences here and there. The tail stabilizer is detached in the 2025 edition, and it seems like it has a bit stronger effect as it sits deeper into the water compared to the older model. The way you fold these kayaks is almost exactly the same, but it can be a bit easier on the interior clamps of the newer 2025 version, especially after folding it a few times. It becomes really simple to do. Another difference, the seats. They're pretty similar, but the new model has additional stabilizer bar system that clamps into the fully assembled kayak behind the seat and gives the kayak hull a little extra strength as well. I also see they added an additional stabilizer ring in the new 2025 version. With most of the changes being right here around the seat area, you can see it has really tightened up everything around the seat. The ends of the kayak are the other big difference and improvement in my opinion. Previously there were some slip loops, but they have been replaced with Velcro, making it a sure thing that these do not come disconnected. Really good improvement in my opinion. I was able to easily fit 2 of these in the back of my Forerunner, and I feel like I could have fit about 10 of these to be honest. These are really cool kayaks. The new model is an improvement on an already really great design. I haven't had any issues with these so far. If you have any questions about these, leave a comment and I'll reach out to the company if needed to get you the best answer. Really great people, made right here in the US. I hope the video helped you out deciding on which model is best for you. Use the links and discount code in the comments or description to get a good deal on this and help put a little bit of food in my fridge at the same time. This video is brought to you by Tucktec, the completely foldable kayak. Welcome back to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. Today's video sponsor, Tucktec, sent me their Pro Model folding kayak. This kayak is completely foldable and relatively easy to set up. It's extremely light at only 26 pounds and it can handle up to 300 pounds. It rolls up and can easily fit into pretty much any car, light enough to hang off your bike or hike with. If you're in a hurry and just looking for a deal, use the link in the description and get a good deal on this. It helps support my channel at the same time, which I appreciate sincerely. The Tucktec Pro foldable kayak is made in the USA and they have been great to work with. They offer live US customer service. Tucktec claims that the kayak can be folded thousands of times, so that translates into many years of use. The first time setting it up, I had a little bit of trouble, but the second time was really quick and easy. I messed up some of the latches, but later went back and fixed them. Even with some of the latches not quite right, it held up in the water really well. This thing is very sturdy. Initially it feels a bit strange. There is some flex to this. I feel like it should be a little bit extra careful, but eventually I got comfortable and it felt pretty normal. I had 0 leaks inside and the flexible design made pushing off and getting in and out a bit easier. The seat is adjustable and so far feels pretty good. You're going to want to watch the instruction video while you're setting this up to figure out how to do it the first time. After that, you shouldn't have any problems. The kayak included a life preserver and paddle, and both worked really well and looked pretty good too. The paddle breaks down so it's easy to travel with. I'm pretty tall, and even being over 6 foot tall, the kayak still worked okay for my height and weight. Being out in this kayak had me smiling the whole time. It has a little extra level of excitement to it. Pretty innovative, and I can quickly break it down and set it up now. After a few times of using it, you can figure out quickly how to get it nice and clean when you put it away. A quick towel can dry it and you're good to go on pretty much any vehicle, even really clean ones. Overall, pretty great experience. Thank you Tucktec for sending this over for me to check out. It's been fun out in the water and definitely will be keeping this in the Forerunner. Thanks for watching everyone. Use the link in the comments or description to get a good deal on this and one of these kayaks and help support my channel at the same time. Don't forget you can subscribe for free by clicking the subscribe button, and most important, click that bell icon so that when I make new videos, you get the good news before you spend your money on something you regret. Use code AdventureTech, no space, all caps for an extra special discount. Subscribe for free by clicking the subscribe button, and most important, click the bell icon so you can be one of the first people to know about the best deals and newest tech.